Hello students, welcome back to the class of standard 3rd subject maths. So let's continue the chapter number 4, long and short. So in the previous video we had done till here page number 52. So now open page number 53 in your textbook. How long is a meter? But before that I will give some information about units of length. You know there are 3 units of length: centimeter, meter and kilometer. So centimeter is a small unit of length and it is used to measure small length like pencil, pen. Then meter is a standard unit of length. It is used to measure length little larger object like length of a wall or cloth, etc. Then this next one is kilometer. So kilometer is a big unit of length. It is mostly used to measure distance between two cities or maybe the length of the bridge also. So this is the use of centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now let's see in the textbook. How long is a to make a long kurta? Take 2 meters cloth for your kurta. And how many meters for a long skirt for me? So you need 3 meters. So here 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So this, remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Let us make a meter rope. You must have shopkeeper measuring cloth with a meter rope. You know, use a meter rod and the rod. Make a knot at one end of the rope. Keep the meter rod with the rope. Mark 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. Now the length between two knots is 1 meter. So this is your meter rope. If you don't get a meter rod, use the and mark 100 centimeters on the rope. So 100 centimeters are equal to 1 meter. So you get the meter rope. So just remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Check activity 1. Find some things that look 1 meter long. Use your meter rope to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. Now think. You can see here length of table, width of table, width of door and length of door. So length of table, so less than 1 meter. Width of table also less than 1 meter. Then width of door also less than 1 meter. Now length of door, so that is more than 1 meter. So this you have to tick in your textbook with pencil. Okay. Then activity 2. Some class 3 children have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can mark 1 meter on their class wall. Now make a chart of your heights of your friends. To measure the centimeters, you can use small scale. So here you have to make a chart. Now guess and check activity 1. Find some that look 1 meter long. Use a meter rope to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. Name of things more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. Now length of a table less than 1 meter. Width of table less than 1 meter. Width of door less than 1 meter. Length of door, that is more than 1 meter. So this you have to take in your textbook with pencil. Then activity 2. Some class 3 children have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can also mark 1 meter on your class wall. Now make a the heights of your friends. So to measure the centimeters, you can use your small scale. So here you have to write your friend's name here. If he is taller, so write taller, then shorter, so you can write here shorter. Then how many centimeters more or less than meter, so you have to write here. So this is simple activity. You can, if you have measuring tape, so you can play with your friends. So here write your friend's name, then how, if he is taller and shorter, so you can write here. Then how many centimeters more or less than a meter, so that you have to write here. So this is simple activity. Okay, then centimeters or meters, which of this will be in centimeters and which will be in meters? So here we have to write which of this will be in centimeters and which will be in meters. So here we have to write. So first one, width of a computer screen. Width of a computer screen will be measuring in centimeters. So here you can write cm. This is a short form of centimeters. Then m. This is the short form of meters. So first one, width of a computer screen, centimeters. Length of a pagdi worn by Sikh. So here meter will come. So you can write here m. You can see this pagdi worn by Sikhs. So this will be measuring in meters. Then height of a 1-year-old child. So here will be centimeter will come. So height of 1-year-old child. So that means small child. See the height of 1-year-old child. So we'll be measuring in centimeter. Then length of a banana. So here also will this centimeter. You can see this banana. So length of a banana will be measuring in centimeters. Then waist of an elephant. So this waist of an elephant will be measuring in meter. You can see the waist of an elephant. So we'll be measuring in meters. Then height of a sugar cane will be measuring in meter. You can see this image of sugar cane. So this height of sugar cane will be measuring in meters. Then depth of a well will be measuring in meters. Then height of your mother. So this height of your mother will be measuring in centimeters. Then distance from classroom to school gate. So here meters will come distance from your classroom to your school gate. So we'll be measuring in meters. Then length of your father's arm. So this length of your father's arm will be measuring in centimeters. So this centimeters or meters you have to write in your fair book. But how to write this one? So I will send in the PDF. So like that you can write. Okay. Thank you.